How to fix game crashing on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if your game keep crashing in your Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's see some of the solutions. So first of all, you have to click on the search bar, and in the search bar type in CMD. Now from here click on Run as Administrator. Click on yes. Here you have to type the command sfc space / and then type in scan now. Hit enter in your keyboard. Now if there are any issues or bugs in your Windows, it will scan it and will help you fix your issue. Once this verification is complete, you have to restart your device. And if that still does not help you, the second method to go to your device setting. So click on the search icon and then type in settings and then go to your settings. Under settings, click on system. Here scroll down and find power and battery and click on it. Here on the power section, there is a power mode to optimize your device based on power use and performance. So click on this drop down box and choose the last option, that is base performance. Now your device performance will increase. Once you're done with this, now what you have to do is again open up the run command. For that, you can simply use the search bar and type in run and open it up. Once you have opened it up, here you have to type in sysdm.cpl. Then click on OK. Now once you have this system properties pop-up box in your interface, go to advanced and under performance, click on the settings. Once you're here, choose this third option, that is adjust for base performance, and then click on OK. And with that, your device performance will be increased, and that's going to help you fix your problem and you can play games without crashing in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.